Jai Mata Di. Welcome to this beautiful 4 BHK stunning apartment, fully loaded in a lot of sense. Perfect fit in Sector 104 Dwarka Expressway. None other than Hero Homes brings you this project called the Palatial at Dwarka Expressway. There are some important highlights as I take you through this experience and the model that they have created at site in 104. It has two unique sizes and a beautiful frontage as you take the first exit on your way from Dwarka Expressway, Delhi towards Gurgaon. You take that first exit, and on your left hand side is Sector 104. Let me take you forward. So then you get off, and there are five towers spread over 10 acres, which two unique sizes in 3 BHK plus a utility room, which can be used as a home office, can be used as a fourth bedroom. Why? Because the size of that room is 10 by 12. So the other unique size that this project hosts is about 4 BHK, again, which comes with a servant room, or you can use it as a home office. Again, it's a big size, so that will be a 5 bedroom. This project has some amazing benefits. They're using all top notch Italian marble flooring, as you can see, and your private area of the house is at the edge, and this gives you ample space for your guest room to be on the other end. This comes with a wooden flooring and vanity, your partitions, everything is included. Let me take you to the master bedroom. The floor to ceiling height is 11 feet, which is a unique feature in a lot of luxury apartments. Also, let me take you to the balconies. These are wraparound balconies, giving you some sort of privacy because they take you through the two bedrooms. At the same time, also give you openness, view, unobstructed view to Dwarka Expressway, Central Green. That I will show you more on the model. So let me take you towards the other bedrooms, or you want to take the, let me show this. See the feel. You can set up your outdoor seating area. You can have a lot of plants. You can have a swing. You can have your barbecue. It is a must space. And I think one of the biggest attraction for Dwarka Expressway is people who have been living in old apartments. They want something which is open. बहुत खुला खुला उनको feel होना चाहिए. तो वहाँ यहाँ पर वो वाली feel आती है. Another good thing, since is feature kya hai, one of the big things, attraction in the project, that the clubhouse, which is spread at about 60,000 square feet, is going to be managed by what? By a leading chain, IHG. So another luxury point. Also, the brand tie-up with for the fitness center is by Cult. Now look at this amazing wardrobe space. This comes in, it comes in as the specification by Hero. It is part of the deal. And there are some amazing deals that have come during the Navratri season and that we can help you secure. Don't miss out on the opportunity. Look at this. Another important feature, a lot of people sometimes feel we want a designated place for puja. So this comes as part of 3 BHK as well as 4 BHK. And in some apartments, this is exactly in the northeast corner of the house. Look at this beautiful kitchen, which comes with double door refrigerator, chimney, hob. It has the cabinets, top cabinets, lower cabinets until the roof. I think what a finish. मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता. I wish आता होता तो I would have spent more time here. Another thing, एक बहुत सारी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कि हमें कई बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं हमारे पास शायद हमें सर्वेंट फुल टाइम रखेंगे नहीं रखेंगे, बट उस स्पेस को हम कैसे यूज करें. जो मैं आपको तारीफ कर रही थी, एक हाईलाइट बता रही थी कि यहाँ पर द फिफ्थ रूम, लुक एट द साइज. What a beautiful size. If I was not having a full-time help, I think I would have converted it into my home office, a recording studio, and a lot of editing. Look at the washroom. Does it make you feel इट इज एनीथिंग लेस। आई थिंक ऐसा भी हो सकता है, अगर आपका कुक भागने की कोशिश करो और उसको ऐसा रूम मिलेगा तो वो आपको छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा। एंड दिस इज द आउटसाइड स्पेस। लुक एट द क्वालिटी। इस तरह की लग्जरी को आप कैसे कैसे मेजर करते हैं? आई थिंक सम ऑफ द फीचर्स दैट वी ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड, आपका लोकेशन क्या है, कनेक्टिविटी क्या है, अपार्टमेंट में जब हम अंदर चले जाते हैं, एक प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर जाते हैं, तो ऐसा क्या फील होता है कि व्हेन यू एंटर अ 5 स्टार होटल vis-a-vis a 3 स्टार होटल, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस दैट यू इंस्टेंटली फील, चाहे आप वहां पर एक नाइट स्पेंड करने जाते हैं? आई थिंक वो ये होता है कि व्हेन यू एंटर इन द क्लब एरिया, आपका लॉबी एक्सपीरियंस, आप हाउ यू टेकन केयर ऑफ, आपके पास क्या क्या सर्विसेज हैं अवेलेबल। आई थिंक 3 स्टार में आपके ये जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं ये बहुत छोटे हो जाते हैं, इन द सेंस आपका मे बी आपका लॉबी का एक्सपीरियंस, इट विल बी अ गुड क्लीन एक्सपीरियंस, बट इट विल नॉट बी एज गुड और एज ग्रैंड एज यू वुड लाइक। अभी इसके अंदर अट्रैक्शन क्या है, जो एक बहुत बड़ा अट्रैक्टिव पॉइंट है एज एन इन्वेस्टर और अ होम यूजर, दैट इज जो पेमेंट प्लान है। आप जानना चाहेंगे वो पेमेंट प्लान क्या है? द पेमेंट प्लान इज 30-30-40। आज आप बुक कर सकते हैं दिस अपार्टमेंट बाय पेइंग 10 lakhs. This project has got a phenomenal response. There are some additional Navratri offers. We will help you find that perfect home in the project, which is facing the central green, gets a lot of sunlight, and you become part of this project on Dwarka Expressway by Hero Homes. ये 10 लाख की इन्वेस्टमेंट आपकी जिंदगी और आपके सपनों को साकार करेगी। नमस्कार।